आता खबरो विस्तारान. गोंय काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष तशेंच आदले खासदार शांताराम नायक हांच्यांनी सोमारा पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. गोंयच्या आर्थीक वेवस्थेच्या संकटा सयत गोंयच्या प्रशासनानूय पुरायपणान आळस विकसीत केला म्हण विधानसभेत फाटल्या अर्थसंकल्पान आश्वासन दिवनय मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकाराक जनतेक सेवा दिवपाक अपेस आयला म्हण आरोप काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायकान केला. आरडेक सुगो खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
With the collapse of state economy, which I have mentioned last time, and the situation all over India is also seen that economy has collapsed. If you see the national figures, which I am not quoting today, it appears that there is a lethargy in the local administration. And Mr. Parekar had mentioned it in his budget speech that there is a lot of lethargy and laxity in governance. To do away with this, the best way was to implement the Goa Right of Citizens to Time-Bound Delivery of Public Services Act 2013. So most of the Goa Right of Citizens to Time-Bound Delivery of Public Services Act 2013, this was the most important legislation for activizing the government functioning, which Mr. Parrikar has failed to do. The act is not being implemented. If that act was implemented, as far as common man is concerned, 50% of that problem would have been solved. If you see the provisions of that act, that provision specifies time limit for giving various types of certificates. Today, people don't get income tax certificate, income certificate, caste certificate, birth certificate, death certificate, judgment copies from revenue courts, RTI documents on time.